In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in Microsoft Teams. If you ever find yourself squinting at messages or straining your eyes during long meetings, adjusting the font size can make a huge difference. The good news is that it's very quick to do, and once you know the shortcuts, you can change it on the fly whenever you need to. We'll focus on the desktop app and the web version of Microsoft Teams because the process is the same in both, and it works across your chats, channels, and most of the interface. Let's start with the simplest option, the keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows, press the Control key and the plus key together. That's Control and the plus sign at the same time. Each time you press this combination, Teams will zoom in a little more, effectively increasing the font size and making everything easier to read. If you go too far and things look a bit too big, you can usually reverse it by pressing Ctrl and the minus key to zoom back out. If you're using a Mac, the idea is exactly the same, just with the Command key instead. Hold Command and tap the plus key to zoom in and increase the font size. Again, you can usually use Command and the minus key to reduce it if you want to bring things back down. These shortcuts work immediately, so you can adjust things in the middle of a meeting or while you're reading a long thread without opening any menus. Now let's look at the mouse shortcut, which some people find even more convenient. On Windows, hold down the Control key and use your mouse wheel to scroll up. As you scroll up while holding Control, Teams will zoom in, and the text and interface elements will appear larger. If you scroll down while still holding Control, it will zoom out again. On a Mac, you follow the same idea, but you hold the Command key instead of Control. Press and hold Command, then scroll your mouse wheel up to increase the size. Scroll down while holding Command to decrease it. These zoom shortcuts are especially handy if you switch between different monitors or if you share your screen and want to quickly bump up the text so others can see it more clearly. Try adjusting the size a little at a time until you find a level that's comfortable for your eyes. Once you get used to these shortcuts, changing the font size in Microsoft Teams will become second nature.